Okay guys, so this is another quick video on why I wipe off my leaves and the way I do it with some nice soft gloves in the glove section in Dollar Tree. And they're real, I'm talking about these are like baby soft. So all I do is I take it, and it's much better than trying to hold something and wipe it. And I just put it in my hand and I just rub the leaf. I don't gotta worry about the towel falling or something falling or using something over and over again. And I literally just clean the leaves of my plant. And this one I just got, so I was like, perfect example. I showed you guys the fiddle leaf plant and how I clean those leaves. This is how the leaves breathe. This is how the plant breathes. This is how it gets oxygen to thrive. So you want to make sure that it is not coated with hard water or whatever the case may be, that is making it has this haze on it where it looks like it's kind of unclean, dirty, whatever you want to call it. So you want to get in there, and I don't know, I've tried cloths, I've tried paper towel, I've done a lot of different things, but this right here has been the go-to. And I done got some dirt on my hand, but we're gonna rub it off as well. But we just want to get all that hard water off. There's hard water here, so yeah, you can see it. You can see it on the dishes. I gotta even get a filter from my home, like, so when I wash dishes and stuff, that my glasses don't have that hard water look to them. If you guys have any suggestions on some good hard water filters, leave them below. I'm gonna do a thorough wipe, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna rinse these gloves off in the sink and just wipe it again. But this is showing you how dirty these plants get, and you definitely need to do this. And this is not something you got to do every week or anything like that. You will see when the plant looks dirty. You will see, and you just do it as needed. Wipe it down, wipe it down. And I'm telling you, these gloves will be a lifesaver for you, because see, I can just stick my hand in a crevice. I don't have to worry about pushing something in there to do it, and just wipe, just wipe. And now the plant is nice and fresh looking. I'm gonna rinse it off and get those pieces off of that right there. But yeah, nice and fresh looking. I'm gonna go on and do the other one as well, because it looks dirty, and you can see the hard water on that as well. So let me step over and do that one as well. See the difference in the two? Clean, unclean. Dollar Tree gloves, I just wet them and cleaned them, and we're about to wipe this one. I'll be back. I figured you guys probably wanted to watch some of it. It's like satisfying to see the leaves get rubbed and they just change from this hard gray spots to nice vibrant green. So I said I'll just keep it in the video for you. Yeah, these really need to get some TLC. They needed a bath. They needed a bath. The top ones aren't as bad. And see, it could go like that. It's just different ways to do it, but these gloves are amazing, because you want to get the bottom, because even the bottom has, I already wiped this one, but even the bottoms of them have stuff on them as well. So yeah, this is just a quick video just showing you. I don't know how quick it's going to be since I keep showing you more. But this is just a video showing you why you should clean it and what you should be cleaning. What do you see? What on your leaves that makes it time to clean it or need to be cleaned. So yeah, going in there and getting all that. Yeah, so one more leaf over here that needs some tender loving care, and we're gonna do this leaf. Oh, this one too. Hold on, hold on. We're not gonna neglect you. Not gonna neglect you. Get up in those crevices. So now we have two nice and clean plants. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, make sure you join the family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell, because that's going to alert you every time I load a new video, and when I load Bowman's videos, because I will be doing that more often, because I got a lot of footage for you guys. So if you have any questions, leave them below. If it's something you want to see on this channel, leave it below, and I will see you guys later, Gators.